Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Rabia. I have done Master of Philosophy Mathematics. I welcome all of you here in this beautiful gathering with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Let me share the purpose of our gathering today. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we will be exploring a topic that is very important in every stage of life: responsibilities of parents. First of all, I'll give you the outline of my presentation. I have divided my presentation into three main parts. In the first part, I'll give you the brief introduction, the concept of parenting. In the second part, I'll explain you the core responsibilities of parents. And in the third part, I would highlight some challenges that parents face and with their potential solutions. First of all, what is parenting? Parenting is basically taking care of your child and helping them to grow up in the best way possible. It's not about giving them food and clothes. It's about to love them, helping them and right from wrong, and helping them to become good, confident people. In the second part, I would highlight some responsibilities of parents. Being a parent is a big job. Parents have many responsibilities. Here, what good parents usually do. First one is that take care of basic needs. First thing first, parents make sure their kids have healthy food to eat, clean clothes to wear, and safe place to live, and a doctor when they are sick. This makes them feel good, strong, and stay healthy. Second one is that give them lots of love and support. Every children needs to feel love every single day. Parents hug them, talk to them, listen to their problems, and comfort them when they are sad. This makes them feel secure and happy. Third one is that teach good behavior and values. Parents should teach kids how to be polite, honest, and respectful. They also teach them how to treat others kindly and tell the truth. Fourth one is that be a good example. Kids watch everything what parents do. Parents try to show good habits like helping others, working hard, and also staying calm, how to stay calm in tough situation. Now I move to the third part. What are the challenges that parents face with their potential solutions? Many parents today feel they do not have enough time to spend with their child because of work, house chores, or other responsibilities. Parents, because of this, parents feel guilty and worried that their children might feel lonely or ignored. And the best way to solve this is to make family time a daily routine, and even if it's just a little. For example, having meals together and talking to each other's day, and also going for a short evening walk. This can help children to feel more connected with their parents. Quality time matters rather than long hours. Second problems that parents today feel is one of the biggest problem children face. Children spend too much time on phone, tablets, and watching TV. This can affect their studies, sleep, and even their mood. And parents should solve this by setting limits of screen use. They can also decide time when gadgets are not allowed. For example, during meals and before bed times. And Parents also encourage their children that they play outside and read books, and helps with simple house chores are great ways to help to keep them busy, their children in a strong and good ways. In my opinion, parenting is basically a truly a beautiful and yet challenging journey in life. There is no perfect way to do it because every child and every parent is different and every family is different. But one thing is always true: every children need love, support, guidance, and rather than other things. That's all from my side. If you have any question, then feel free to ask me.
What is one way to show love to your child?
One way is that by supporting them, I'm really proud of you by saying them one word that show loved.
Name one moral responsibility of parents.
Moral responsibilities. There are many responsibilities, but parents should teach their children for respect and honest, and teach them honest and always speak true is big responsibilities of parents. They have not any question.
Do you think these days parents are fulfilling the responsibilities? Do you think parents are fulfilling the responsibilities?
Not every parents because
Being a mother, are you fulfilling the responsibilities?
no,
You're not
I am not fulfilling because I am quite busy in both lives, home
in work.
and work as well.
That's why you're not fulfilling the
Yes, because
And if
quality time matters, but that quality times that I spend here, I think nowadays I spend with my daughter, and he needs that, but she needs that, but it's क्या कह रहा था?
if today we are not
But it also very important for my life because I have done this because for my daughter and for their secure future, for her secure future.
are you doing all this
Yes.
for secure future? That's great. But do you think if parents they are not giving time to their children these days, how could they expect in future that time back? For example, for making them successful in their life, they are putting lots of efforts, and they become successful. We want time from them, and they say the same. Oh dad, oh mom, I am very busy. I have a busy lifestyle. I have my own family.
Actually, I have set my goal.
Yes.
In 1 year, I want to settle in my life, and then obviously all time for my children's.
You're going to give time to your
Yes, and manage time with children and work, and set quality time for family and work. I think
How much time do you think is required to be given to children?
yes,
Quality time.
quality time. In other words, all time are for children. Mothers all time, not father.
Shouldn't children go to school?
Hmm?
Shouldn't children go to school?
No.
They should stay home.
Yes.
You're talking about children, you're talking about baby,
Baby.
kids,
Kid.
kid. I'm talking about if child is
अच्छा अच्छा.
5 to 10. How much time a child should be given? from parents?
I think 2 to 3 hours.
And what should be done in 2 to 3
And in 2 to 3 hours, parents talk to them, listen to them, and do some activities with their children,
Such as?
such as in the learning process. If I say, they should organize our
Organize what?
English में नहीं कहना हो रहा
Come on. I know how to say it in English.
है?
I'll help you. You can give me
Yes.
a hint.
Okay.
Organize.
They organize a weekly chart that depend on their studies. In which class they learn, and first they in all weekdays they should must set about one day is about mathematics, and other day is about English, and the third day is about like some
One day we
activities.
teach them one subject.
Yes.
And if the mother is not educated, then what
The
kind of
mother-
activity can she make?
I don't know. House mothers are connect their children with their work. I think
With their work being
housewives जो करती है house chores. Yes.
they should ask their children, wash the dishes,
Yeah.
clean the house.
I think they help their mother in all things, and this is good
And
for
in
their.
that case, you're saying right. They
This-
should encourage them to do house chores.
Yes,
But in this, how they can mold them and they can do the brainwashing of them for character building or for telling them the good manners or morals.
In that case, mothers busy their children with house chores
Should make
and
them busy.
should make them busy in house chores and talk to them. In that situation they work, and their past or quality talks that they do in their sorry क्या कहना था उसको in their मतलब उनके बचपन में जो करने की थी.
One last question. One last question.
समझेगा
I
चलो.
won't ask question after this.
Yes.
इसके बाद बहुत लंबी डिस्कशन शुरू होती है.
जी,
ये question-
सर.
इस क्वेश्चन के बाद असल में डिस्कशन शुरू होती है, लेकिन मैं नहीं करूँगा.
जी.
What is the percentage according to you of the parents that is fulfilling responsibilities?
I think 50 to 60% responsibility. 50 to 60% there is a responsibility of parents, and other responsibilities are
No,
for
I'm talking
teachers
about
and society.
responsibility of society for building the character of children,
Yes.
responsibility of teachers as well. But I'm saying we are just talking about the responsibilities of parents. How many parents do you think are fulfilling their responsibility in this era?
50 to 60.
50 to 60% parents are fulfilling their responsibility.
Because they are
This is
too
we
much.
have civilized
Because they are too much busy in this era.
and 40% are not fulfilling. It means 60%, 50 to 60% parents are fulfilling their responsibilities. It means we have 60% good youth in society.
Yes, I think.
Yes, I think. Which is good. Thank you.